job.
Ice cream.
Yes.
Flower.
Yes.
Carrot. Book. Turtle. Giraffe.
No. Try again.
A zebra.
Zebra.
Leaf. Oh no. Oh no.
At least you're honest.
Violin.
Violin.
Yes. Igloo.
Alien.
What's that?
Tree.
Tree, right.
Weed. Tea.
A T.
A T for?
Tucker.
Yeah.
Newspaper. Horsey.
Yes.
Sun. Octopus.
Yeah.
Doggy. Robot.
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
What color is it? Orange. Right, put it down.
Girl.
X-ray.
X-ray. Coin.
Coin.
Nose.
Yes.
Banana. Grapes.
Good.
Oh no.
Xylophone.
It's a xylophone. Guitar.
How do you play the guitar? Good job.
I don't know.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. A rainbow.
Good.
I don't know.
Volcano.
Volcano.
Yeah.
A zip.
Zipper. Zip.
Zip.
Good job. Just a few more. What's that one?
Whistle.
Good.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Good job. Put it down.
Jumping rope.
Good.
I don't know.
Alien.
Alien.
Right.
Hammer.
Right.
Pen.
Good. Two more.
Monkey.
All right. Last one.
Keys.
Good job. Give me hot hands.
Why do you do the tut-tut before each one?
We did it.
Yeah. Good job, Tucker.
Let's do it one more time.
One more time.